Okay, so I am demoing a tool that is similar to Screencast O Matic. This is called Screencastify. In fact, I'll go to a website real quick so you can see it. Screencastify. So that's the name. This is the website, and it's actually a Google Chrome extension, and it's free. Pretty neat little tool for those who are going to want to create these animations to explain things in Canvas or in a platform, and it creates a little video file, and you can turn it into you can get it closed captioned and turn it into a nice little video that explains something. So for example, if you wanted to explain something from an art museum, you can go on a little field trip. So I'm clicking on the Museo Nacional del Prado, and you'll notice it's just capturing my screen. It's a pretty good video quality. I've been pretty impressed with the overall quality of this. So if I wanted to look at a famous artwork, this is Las Meninas by Diego Velázquez, and you could talk about the particular painting, and you'll notice that the video quality is pretty good. So I might actually start using this instead of Screencast O Matic. I'm not really sure at this point, but here's an example. Here's a demo, and I'm going to add it to my YouTube playlist. So try it out. It's pretty cool. Been pretty impressed with it.